Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Puryanik and today is a Monday. Always new week, new opportunity. So let's jump to the chart together and see what's going on the market. But before that, this is going to be my fourth video by publishing on this channel. I'm very excited, guys, and thank you very much to subscribe, like, and sharing my video. And this is giving me very good energy to making the better video and sharing with you guys my knowledge and my view from the chart. I hope in my view and my technical is helping you in your future trade. So let's jump to the market and see what's going on the chart. On the previous video, I mentioned if Bitcoin breaking this trend and especially breaking $51,800 can come back again to the support around $50,400. As we can see, Bitcoin already back to $50,600, and from the $50,600 continue the rally to the current price around $52,027. So what's next and what's going on the market right now? On the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin holding the mid band of the BB around 51,800, and we can see the lower band of the BB is standing around 51,240. As I mentioned before on the previous video, I don't think something is going to be changed right now. Market still is in the range side and still the down around 50,400 and the top around 52,000, around $53,000. As soon as the Bitcoin holding this support, can possible to go higher, and if we break in the 53,000 resistance, is going to be party starting, and nothing can be stopping the Bitcoin to the 55,000 or $58,000 as we estimated before. On the 4-hour MACD, we can see already I mentioned on the previous video we had some correction from this zone, and we can see the market is a little bit coming down, and histogram we can see that changing the color from the green to the red. But right now we can see very soon we can have a correction, and we can see histogram very soon going to be changing the color. This is very good on the 4-hour view. On the higher time frame, view is a little bit different, and I want to early alarm to you guys right now. Why? Because if you remember from 8th of January, we hit into $47,140, and from this resistance to the support, we get that around 19% correction, and from the correction from this box, Bitcoin is from the correction, Bitcoin is moving from 38,200 to 52,700, around 37% move. I'm not saying right now Bitcoin getting correction to go down from this. I don't say right now we can be. I don't say right now we have a big sell going on the market, but be careful, guys. We have a correction coming up soon, maybe today, tomorrow, maybe later, but will come, and we have to be ready for a correction. If you don't have a trade, if you're looking for a buy back again on this zone, I suggesting you wait a little bit, because market can come easily back again to 47,200, which is that from here, if we go from 53,000 to the 47,300, we have a correction around 10%. And if from $53,000 we get a correction to 40,000, we have a 23%. We have a 23% down move. So this is a little bit scary, guys. I'm not saying right now Bitcoin is going to crash or something like that. From my view, still Bitcoin, as soon as holding the especially $50,000, as soon as the Bitcoin holding the $50,000 or $47,000, from my view, still we are on the bullish, and still Bitcoin can hit back again to $50,000 and $56,000, or maybe $58,000. As we can see right now, top band of the Bollinger Band is standing around 55,000, sharp is standing around $55,000. So possible Bitcoin go high from here, possible to break in the $53,000 and go to $55,000, and by the end to go $58,000, and we get a correction from there. I have to early alarming to you guys, be careful of the correction, especially for the people who doing the leverage. I'm also doing the leverage. If you're not checking my Instagram or TikTok, please go and check it out, puryanik.b, which is that my name. I'm always sharing the story, and when I'm closing my trade, I will mention there. Today, I'm closing punch of my shitcoin, which is that over than 50% profit for me. I'm closing half of my trade on the shitcoin, and I still holding half of the rest. If the market go high, I can sell in more. If it come down, I can add to my trade. But Bitcoin, I'm waiting for but for Bitcoin and Ethereum especially, I'm looking for better target. For me, easily, from my view, easily Bitcoin come back again to the same zone as we're talking about, around 50,000, 49,000. If we be breaking that, easily Bitcoin can come to this zone around, down around 46,000 and top around $48,000 on the daily time frame. Right now, I don't thinking Bitcoin gonna be break this zone. Still on this zone, good opportunity to buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but I open in my trade on this zone, and I'm suggesting to you guys, if you want to save trade, if you're doing the leverage trade, you have to wait for a better opportunity. So I'm going to be opening my trade on this zone, or maybe trying in the 50,000, depends on the market. But right now, we have to a little bit be careful. Today, ETF market is closed, and we don't have so much big buy and sell on the market. So I don't. From my view, is like possible to Bitcoin back again to the three support as I mentioned. I don't think in Bitcoin going to break this zone, especially 46,000 and 47,000. But we have to be ready for a correction. RSI on the daily is still in the overbought territory, but still can stay on this zone. Maybe a little bit come down, but still, I think in more buyer than a seller on the market. But we have to be careful, guys. Market already good moving. If you are on the trade, better to keep in some of your profit, and still you can keep in your trade open. Always remember, you are a trader and you need to save your profit. This is my view from the Bitcoin. Let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily, guys, super bullish from my view. As I mentioned on the previous video, this zone can be buy zone, and who get the trade on this zone, congratulations to you, my friend. And from the estimated price to current price right now, already 7.8%, 7.88. Ethereum on the Ethereum on the daily time frame, as I mentioned on the previous video, I mentioned for you guys, if Ethereum come back, can be a good opportunity to buy on this zone. And we can see right now, Ethereum already back to 2,721 and continue the rally to the current price around $2,900, and we can estimate it from the bottom to the current price around 7% movement. So congratulations if you catch in this trade. And Ethereum, a little bit view is different. Ethereum also is Ethereum still is in the up move, and same as a Bitcoin. As soon as Ethereum holding the 2,700 nearest support, main nearest support, can go higher and easily can break up the 2,930 and can back to $30,059 as I mentioned on the previous video. At the same time, if Ethereum cannot pass $2,934, can ping pong to this zone, and if we break in this zone, we can see right now mid band of Ethereum on the daily time frame. Ethereum on the daily time frame, as I mentioned on my previous video, this zone going to be good opportunity for buy, and congratulations if you buy from this zone from $2,720 until current prices. Ethereum already move around 7%, which is that if you are a leverage trader, 5 weeks going to be 35% for you. So right now, Ethereum still is in the bullish, and a little bit view is better than a Bitcoin for me right now. To be honest, if I want to mention a little bit view for Ethereum right now, better than a Bitcoin, but Ethereum also like a Bitcoin. As soon as below $2,900, can touch back again to the support around 2,700 and can ping pong on this zone. If Ethereum breaking this support can come back and touching around $2,500 as we estimated before, and we can see right now mid Bollinger Band is standing exactly around $2,500. So Ethereum, so Ethereum, Ethereum still is in the bullish zone right now, guys. Don't be mistake right now. Ethereum can go touch $3,000 and maybe can go higher. We can see the $3,280 for a Ethereum, but right now, as a Bitcoin, as soon as no passing the resistance around $2,934, come back again. Anytime we can have a correction to the market, and this correction can bring the market to the buy zone. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm a trader. I see the opportunity for a trade, and I sharing with you guys. If you want to be trade, you have to have a good trade, and you have to have a successful on your trade, and you have to reduce your risks, and you have to be comfortable sitting and trade. If I want to trade right now, I'm sitting on the short. I'm opening the short right now. If you are a long buyer and if you're trading on the long, you have to little bit wait, because Ethereum also on the previous move on 12 January hitting to $2,700, and we had a 20% correction on the market. So if from here we get the correction from the 2,900 resistance, 20%, bring it back the Ethereum around 2,350. And if very hardly Ethereum crash 27%, be coming back again to 2,140. So if you are a trader, you have to be trade safe. And I'm a trader, and I'm trading on the Bybit, which is that I can tell you one of the best exchange in the world, and I have a copy trade also in there. Not me, many traders also there. You can try the copy trade, and if you want to copy trade me, you can message me on the Instagram, and we have some terms and condition. If you want to copy trade me on the Bybit, you can message me on the Instagram, and I can telling you how is the process going. So this is for today, guys, and I'm hoping my view and my technical is helping you on your trade. So all the best, guys. Trade safe and peace.